Alright guys, we're back at Petty John's cave. I'm excited. We haven't been here in quite a while. And we're trying to get all the way down in the stream passage to a place called High Anxiety. That's the entrance. Hey. You made it. Yep. This is the entrance room. This thing is huge. Oh yeah, you can see everything now. We almost made it. That's right. I barely fit with my backpack. Whoa. I think I did that completely wrong. It worked. Dang, it's pumping today. Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. That's night and day difference right there. Yeah. Look at all the fossils on the wall. Oh, yeah. The orbs and stuff sticking out. You going up? From here it gets questionable, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna try up here. Might as well. I think that's the way. Oh, that water is deep, deep. No kidding. I made it. I have yet to get my feet completely wet. Me too. It's still dry down there. Whoa. It's so deep over here. Waterfall too. Yeah. Oh, we're about to get wet. Wow, we made it to the second waterfall. We've been walking for hours, and we finally made it. Whoa. Check it out. Dude, it's pumping today. Look how deep it is.
Now you want to go over there?
Oh my God, I'm flooding my boots. Whoa, that's up to my kneecap. Dude, it's so loud over there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Now we
awesome.
gotta go up, dude.
All right, yep, off we go. Don't fall down. Oh, wow. All right, let's go. Okay, so here's some information.
Yeah.
This one looks like
All the layers in this one?
a tooth or something.
Yeah, like a crab claw.
Got the double point. Oh, guys, I don't like the look of this. This one's tight.
Keep going.
Oh, wow.
Check out these fossils right here.
You got a whole fossil bed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you don't see that up front.
No.
Everybody would have destroyed it. Whoa.
That's cool.
I know, right?
Alright, bro, I think this is it. High anxiety.
Dude, we're at high anxiety?
Yeah, we gotta climb up into this room right up here.
Oh,
Yeah, let me
boy.
get my boots.
Holy moly. That looks scary.
Yeah,
We gotta go through that?
we do.
Alright. There's a reason they call it high anxiety, guys.
That's right.
So you're going into the rock pile?
Yeah.
Alright. Wish us luck, guys. Oh, this is a maze.
I know. Man, we have to find our way through this.
We might have to split up, start poking our head through every little hole we see.
That's right.
We've never made it past here. We're definitely probably 2 hours back in this cave. And that's after knowing our way. Oh, this is tight, man.
I know,
This is the sketchiest part. I feel like it's gonna collapse down.
yeah.
Oh, it does open up.
Yeah, it opens up big over here.
Yeah, it does. Whoa. Dude, we were going up.
Yeah.
Whoa. Where are we? This is high anxiety?
Yeah.
That's cool. Dude, this place is a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's a big place.
Look at all this broken down rock. You can tell it's not a stable room.
No, it looks like a completely different type of rock
Yeah.
than the rock before.
And there's this giant boulder about to fall up here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
This room is so big, we had to break out the big light. The 13,000 lumen light. So there should be
A very large room below this one as well.
we might not make it to that though. Alright, we squeezed through a crack leading from that room. And we're in it now. This is as sketchy as it gets. Okay, I made it through. It appears to keep going down. This way just ended, I think.
So tight.
Dude, I know. This is beyond tight. Find anything?
No, dude.
Me neither. This is crazy. If this is the way. I know. Maybe it's not the way.
But we might be able to go back out to the stream and get through that breakdown out there.
Maybe. Let's try it. If not, we're gonna have to head back out.
Yeah. It's our only shot.
Alright, we did it, guys. We made it past the breakdown pile. We made it past the nervous breakdown. Or high anxiety, I should say. That's where we're at. So now you can either go up and do breakdown or keep following the stream, which gets really low.
Oh.
You might have to whip out a map.
Yeah.
We're well on our way into Schreiber's extension, but it got super tight. It's no more than like 2 feet and it's got a bunch of water coming out. So we're gonna have to wait until it's not pumping so much.
Check out these fossils, bro.
Wow.
That looks like a little horn coral.
Oh, is that what that is? And
then
then look at this rock.
Yeah, for real. That's the one.
There's all sorts of fossils everywhere in the rock. Look at that.
I've never seen it. It's like a little sand dollar.
Wow, yeah.
What else we got? Like a little worm or something? I don't know.
Yeah. All sorts of stuff.
Roly-poly.
You start seeing it all on the walls back here.
Wow.
Because nobody's been back here messing with it.
Yep.
But I think we're going to have to head out now because we've been in here for probably 3.5 hours.
Yep, that's how long. Alright, there's a weird fish in here. In Petty John's cave. It looks like a rockfish or something. What is that thing? I'm trying to get closer to it. It's got like little fins that come out.
Wonderful move. Oh, there he goes.
All I had to do was blow in the water. Well, he's gone now. Whoops.
I've never seen that activity. Alright, we're well on our way back out. Past that second waterfall. Now we are getting the heck out of this stream passage. Alright guys, we made it. I didn't think we were ever going to get out of that cave. We were in there for 6 hours.